Who's laughing now? Without kind and vocabulary, kids in the cemetery. Petty, you call me petty, you see me. I'm just trying to help. What the hell without hope? Same hell without choking. Choking and losing. So focused on the lost, such a lost cause. No time to pause, we skip to the end of it all. The end of it is, end of we are, end of it all. End of a society that wants it all once. Just for once, can we think about who we are after all, who we are. Where did you come from? Wasn't this dark? Where do you want to be? So lost and off, so off the balance, so off the real. You wanna be steadfast in the real. You wanna be the anchor or a sinking ship. You wanna be the problem to a steadfast end. Why make it so hard for me and them, for you and I? We're all one. Like I said, we're all drowning, we're all sinking, we're all starting to believe in that there's nothing we can do, nothing we can try. Just look a person in the soul, forget about the eye, it deceives. But you know what's black and green in the winter? It's sad to see the decline, the guise of kind. That kind of kind, and I'll leave it all behind. Matter of fact, take it and throw it in the trash. So everyone can relax, we all get the same. We're all still dying on the same plane before we drown and see the same circle again and again and again and again and again. Pain is what you seek when you're ringing. Shame is how you feel when you're dying and no one's there to bring it. Can you see it? So fluorescent. It's a long descent. I hope you can bring everything you hold closer than human kindness to the young and old. I hope you can bring it.